Sing-sang tay-tay ho. My name is Julie Ponce Parucha. I am 32 years old. I am from Magsaysay, Bayambong, Nueva Vizcaya, Philippines. I am married but in my passport is single. I have one son, 5 years old. My highest educational attainment is high school graduate. My hobbies are cooking, and I am a pet lover. I have one dog. My expertise are children care. I worked as domestic helper in United Arab Emirates for 3 years and 10 months. I served one couple and 5 children, their age 16, 12, 10, 5, 3 years old. And I worked as domestic helper in Kuwait for 2 years and 3 months. I served one single mother, age 56 years old, and their children, age 30 years old, twins, 28, 26, 24, 22 years old. My duties are taking care of the children and elderly, cooking, cleaning, doing laundry, ironing, washing clothes, and marketing. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn and save money for my family. I'm willing to take good care of elderly and newborn baby. I can sing nursery song like the wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. To my future employer, mom and sir, please choose me as your housemaid because I'm hardworking, honest, obedient, and trusting. I promise to be a good housemaid and I promise to prioritize my job and finish my 2 years contract or more. Thank you, ma'am and sir. I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.